Hello. Hi guys. Oh, sorry my hair's almost up. It's alright, it'll do for now. Sorry my hair's almost up. I just got out of the shower and I blow dried it and I didn't want to finish it. Anyway, hi, my name is Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how I print and ship my depop orders. So I own a jewelry business. I started it just in the beginning of this year. Here are our butterfly huggies and then our new flutterfly necklace. When I was starting on Depop, it was very difficult to print and ship orders for me. I couldn't figure it out. It was really difficult, just like getting everything done. I didn't know what to do, and I didn't think to look up a YouTube video, but here we are. You did, so here we are. So this is what I started out with. It's a bubble mailer, and it's 8 inches by 4 inches. However, although it says that, you have to make sure that you understand that the inside is actually gonna be a lot different, because once you stick something inside of it, it no longer is 4 inches. It's no longer 4 inches wide. So it's more like 2.5 or 3 inches by like 6 inches. So that's really important. Then I have these mailing labels also, and they come 4 on a sheet, and they're actually a different size than you would normally buy. They're not the normal 4x6. They are the 3.5 by 5 inch labels. And that was really important because that's almost the only label that will fit on this size. And it's easier to do that because honestly everything's cheaper. These are going to be a lot cheaper than say this size, which is 6 by 10. I think the price almost doubles. So you can get 50 of these for the same price as only 25 of these. So it's really important. And so you can also use the same labels on the big sizes too. They don't care. So yeah, that was really important. So I get these off of Amazon. Here they are, the 8168s. And so these are super important. Again, then what you have to do is you have to go to the Avery website and you have to download their template for the 8168s. Depop only works with PayPal right now, and PayPal just recently changed how they do it. I know that they said that they're trying to make it easier. However, I find it's actually a little bit more difficult. There's a lot more like moving parts going around there. So how to print the label, what you should put, what kind of shipping classes you should use, what are your ounces and stuff like that. So anyway, and I just want to say thank you to all my supporters. I'm going to leave all my links down below, and I'm also going to do more videos on this. I want to do kind of like an online business essentials class, like what I have, like where I got these, why did I pick this size, you know, the different sizes I do have because I've got multiple sizes, different boxes that I use, how I label, logo, what I use to do that, everything. So I want to show you guys all of that. So I'm going to do that in a new video, but this is simply for Depop, how it works, or for any other shipping service that uses PayPal. You're going to come in contact with it whether you use like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace, which I've used all three. So yes, I want to show you guys, and on with the video. So here we are on my PayPal account. Right here it will always say ready to ship or print items in bulk. So mine doesn't say that here. So what we're going to do is go to view all, and then scroll down from all transactions to ready to ship, where they should be there also. At this point in time, I didn't have any, but this is what it should look like. And so we're going to see here I have 2 orders that are ready to ship. I'm going to start with the first one, and I'm going to click add. I'm going to make sure it says first class mail, package/thick envelope, and then 4 ounces. Now 4 ounces is really important because that is the heaviest that UPS is going to allow you to go before they start charging you above, let's say in this case it was $2.70. Now we do the same settings for the next one, 4 ounces again. Now this one's going a little bit farther from where I am in California, so it's going to be $3.09, and that is going to be the cheapest that you are going to be able to send these orders in a bubble mailer like the one that I have now. $3.09 is going to be the most expensive. You have to make sure it's under 4 ounces, which mine always are. They never above like 2.5 ounces, even at the heaviest. So you can invest in a scale and do it that way if you want to. Then you click pay. I always click with my PayPal balance. I never want to charge my credit card. There's kind of no point. Now here's where it gets tricky. So here I'm going to print the 2 shipping labels, and this is where PayPal changed everything, and it's kind of very confusing. So you want to click print labels. In this case we're printing 2, so it says 2 pages, and then it's going to come up and you want to click open PDF in preview. Okay, so because these are real customers, I blocked out their addresses, and so this is what it should look like when you open it in preview. And on the right side, I've opened up my template where my shipping labels are going to go, because we are going to rotate these labels and then drag and drop them onto this page, as you can see. So our first step here is to rotate them. We're going to use the little button at the top that looks like a little square with a little left arrow on it. And we're going to rotate both images, and then we're going to take a screenshot of each label. Now this is where it gets tricky. If you guys have a better way to do this, please let me know. But you use, on a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4, and then you drag your little mouse only around the shipping label. And then it comes up on the corner because we've screenshotted it, and then you want to drag it and drop it onto your template. Then you just resize here with your mouse, just like you would normally when you resize something. And then again, I'm doing that with the second label. And again, that is Command-Shift-4. Hold them all together, then drag and drop your cursor over exactly what you want to screenshot, which is the white label portion. And then again, I resize it on my template, and then I'm done. And I just click print, and then they print out beautifully. Now again, anybody who is a Depop seller that is watching this, if you guys have a better way of doing this, or maybe it's different because I'm on a Mac, please let me know. However, I am going to show you a different way that you think would work, and it doesn't. So I just want to show you why this is the only way I found that works for me. So if you just see how I've cropped the image, what I've done is I've cropped the image to exactly what I want it to look like. On here you use Command-K on a Mac. And I just try to drag and drop the image, and it will not allow me to do it. I have tried it a billion times. It will not allow me to just drag and drop. So I just want to show you that that actually doesn't work for me. Now here, after we've printed our labels, you can see, I'm so sorry, I've already put them on here. But I grab one of my 4x8 mailers. I grab one of my 3.5 by 5 inch labels, and I just put it on, make sure that they're on steady. And because of this, I actually buy the Avery labels only at the moment. Right now, I just don't feel too comfortable branching out on a different brand yet, because I don't know how they're going to last. These sometimes do peel off on the side, but it's very difficult to get them fully off. So yeah, that's why I do choose these. And I get them off of Amazon, just like I get off most of my stuff. And then here's me packaging it. I get a little cotton muslin bag and a little box, and there's my business card. And I, for example, one of my orders, there's some earrings. I put them in the little cotton bag, inside the box, inside my order. And then I throw the business card right on top, and then my order is sealed and ready to go. So yeah, this is what I found works for me. This is how I started my business. And so this is how it basically all began. And they're really good. These ones are really good self-sealing. So that's what you want. I don't ever tape or anything. And so back to your Depop app, you go to your receipts. On ship item, you could mark as shipped. I have to type in USPS because that's what we're going to be using. And then the tracking numbers from PayPal always start the same, 9400 1096 9993. And then the last few digits are the ones that change based on where you're sending it to. And so yeah, I wanted to block out her address as well. And then just another tidbit, at the end, I leave everything, all the feedback till the end. What I do is I click track shipment. I make sure that it was delivered. And then once I see that it was delivered, then I go and I leave my feedback for my buyer. Usually it's always 5 stars. I leave a little review like, great buyer, very nice to work with. Thank you so much for your order. And a few hearts to show that I really do appreciate it and that I appreciate their business. So I'm very happy and I'm very lucky. And that's how I do it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that it was very clear to you guys, and if you guys liked it, please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have a Depop business. I'm not really as active on Depop because I also have Etsy and I also have my own website. However, I do sell Depop orders a lot, so I love interacting with everybody, and I think it's a really cool review system that they have. Anyway, so I just want to say thank you for allowing me to have this business and allowing me to share it with you guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you didn't, or if something wasn't very clear, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to address it, because sometimes when you get up here, it's very easy to just kind of ramble on and then forget the whole point of why you were even doing the video. So I hope that didn't happen. Again, sorry that my hair is all messed up. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys! Yay! Oh. Yay! Bye! Depop is, oh my god, I can't even speak today. I'm sorry. It's magic. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, should I get closer? Is that what's happening?